Welcome, Malakamu Lakatani.
We're gonna go get us a unga. Let's go. What's that do?
Stunt double! That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna teach you how to survive an extreme event with just the humble coconut tree. Come on.
Learning the basic way of Cook Islands dancing
is keeping up with the beat.
Yeah, I got something new for you. It's called Watch Your Size.
I'm just going to show you how to thread them through.
I'm going to teach you how to make this amazing dish.
I'm going to show you the salmon sivata. So come on.
If you want the burn, come and see me. I'll give you the burn. If you want the real burn, then stand in front of a fire.
My name is Tony Vai Vai, and today I am going to show you how to dodge a flying candle.
Hide behind baby Jesus.
The classic tie is simple. Hold your patio widthways, wrap that around the front, the rest of the material around, and tie a double knot.
If you're thinking that it looks too hard, it is not.
Grab your t-shirt or cloth, jump on the trunk using your upper body to drag you up, bringing both feet as far up as possible.
Feet together, hands on your hips, bend your knees and swing.
Good thing about fishing here, all our resources are either upstream or right next to the road.
So when that rock goes down, you just give it a big yank, and then you got your burley bomb.
Hold the tirumali like that, and then just turning them either ways.
You can make it beautiful like this.
First, you take the cloth knife and you slice the back of the heel. Oh, don't break a nail, bro.
There it is. Takihi, done.
US style.
Flawless victory. Follow those simple steps and you will survive.
And now you know how to do it, so knock yourself out.